Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get happy anniversary template in CapCut for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the template menu to access a lot of templates from CapCut. We can choose templates here, and then we can search for happy anniversary video template. Happy anniversary video template. Video template like this. Okay, and I'm just going to select one of them. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to replace the items in the template with my own items. I'm just going to click on use template, and I'm just going to use, sorry guys, here as you can see we need to select 7 items, and I'm just going to use photos. Okay, I need one more photo. I'm just going to use this one, and then we can click on next. Okay, and the photo in the template will be replaced with our own photos. Okay, this is how the video looks like. Okay, and you can change the audio if you don't want to use it. Go to the audio, and you can either extract audio or add sound from your gallery, from your device. And once you're done, you can export the video. Okay, I think I'm just going to use the original audio because it's already good. Alright, and once you're ready to export it, you can click on export here, and you can export without watermark. And you can choose the resolution, and I'm going to export without watermark. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get free happy anniversary template in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!